Hi again.
Hi again. Have a great time.
So excited for attraction spot.
Welcome to Electric Eel. Just a reminder, all loose articles you're going to hand over to the person on the right side of the exit. So no cell phones, keys, wallet.
It's much slower now, but once you get
Welcome in, riders. During your ride on Electric Eel, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train. Prior to launch, all guests must be in the correct seated position. Sit upright and face forward, keeping your back and head against the seat and headrest. Hold onto your lap harness at all times to maintain the proper riding position. Loose items are not permitted on Electric Eel. SeaWorld is not responsible for articles left in the station. Glasses are only permitted if secured with a safety strap. Waist packs are permitted as long as they do not interfere with the harness system. All food, drink, and gum must be disposed of prior to riding. Now,
riders, sit upright. Be ready for the most electrifying ride here at SeaWorld San Diego.
Thank you for riding Electric Eel and enjoy the rest of your day.